On this site, scriptureearth.org. Let's grind that in your mind, scriptureearth.org. You will find the Bible or portions thereof in over 2,800 languages. Over 2,800 languages. Now, how this works, you have three choices. You can type in the language, you can type in the country, or you can go to this list. I can't spell languages at all, so I always go to the list. So we have a list of the countries of the world. All of these countries listed has some portion of scripture in them. So for the fun of it, we're just going to go to Chad, because that's the country I was in last, overseas. And we scroll down, and all these major links, names here are the names of the different languages spoken in Chad. So there's quite a few languages spoken in Chad, and all of these languages happen to have some amount of scripture in them. There are other languages spoken in that country, but they don't have scripture, so they're not listed. And it's super easy. In just 3 clicks, we can take you virtually to any country in the world and all the minority languages spoken in that country. This group of people here, everybody doing ministry, working together, trying to figure out how we can help each other do the gospel presentation in a better way. You know, we're so unique. God has gifted each one of us in unique ways. And for me to be able to help my brother just a little bit, just this little tool that might sit on his shelf for 6 months of the year, and then all of a sudden he remembers, oh yeah, scripture, earth. And then he remembers it and he goes and looks at it. He has another tool that he can use